over there. Put it down, put it down!
Do it, Ode.
Go for it.
Do it. There's cameras at Valero, and there's cameras at Napa. The seat's been pulled out.
Shut your mouth.
You don't talk to me like that. I'm not your boy.
Talk to you, boy. You a boy.
Thank you.
Wall. Put your gun away, put your gun away.
Here is when corrupt cops realize they messed up bad and face instant karma.
Yes, last night.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my dog in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
What do you want? What the that motherfucker over there. Put it down, put it down! Get on the ground now!
Son of a bitch.
Back up. Get out here right now!
I thought they were gonna come through the wall.
Put your gun away, put your gun away.
Okay. Party's unconscious. No.
Hey, come out here. I'm Tim. Wait. This is Brittany. She's the one that got hit. I live here. This is my friend Brittany. And then this is my neighbor that hit her. I wasn't even here. I was outside. I literally just saw you.
Banged on the door, or through the wall. Bam, 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 and I'm sleeping. Shut the f up! What's going on? He wasn't here. Dog wasn't here. And I was like, what's going on? Right to the mouth.
Okay, which one is it?
No, right there, possibly.
Okay, what's he doing?
He is an older man. I honestly don't know. When you get knocked the f out, he busted all of my shit. My nose, my mouth. All I wanted to do was like, hey, what was disturbing you? And he was like, shut the f up. Boom.
And that guy lives right there in that room. And that's where the wall would go.
He was bang, bang, bang. That's what woke me up.
We just shit. Pull him out.
207 taser deployed. Party came out with a machete.
Alright, okay. Okay, put him in custody. You start an ambulance.
All right, let's get him set up.
Just keep him.
Sir, talk to us. Talk to me. Talk to me. Sir, talk to me. I got him.
He's breathing, he's fine.
Okay, stay on your side. Stay on your side. Stay on your side.
They hit my walls.
I understand.
They hit my walls hard.
I understand, sir. Okay.
Do you remember anything that happened?
I was laying there. Heard a big bang.
Hey.
Hey.
Sounds quiet.
Hey. My name's Ellie. How can I help you? What's going on?
She's been drinking.
Okay, I get that. And that probably
It
makes
doesn't even matter. That's my own f***ing thing.
Right, yeah, no, that's not
When I have somebody bang on the wall and then f***ing punch me in my f***ing face.
I'm here for you. We're here for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
What's your name again?
What's your name again?
Brittany.
You're okay, all right? Are you okay? You're upset, I get that, but are you okay?
But I want to kick the living out of him.
Okay, well.
And I walked away like a dignified human being and came in here and I tried calling him and was like, I just got knocked the out.
Things are okay. I know it doesn't necessarily like make it all better, okay, but we're here.
What do you want?
What the f? Put that mother
Over there.
down. Put it down, mother.
Put it down!
Get out
on
here.
the ground down!
Back up. Get out here right now. Get out here.
They hit that wall so hard, I thought they were gonna come through the wall.
Put your gun away.
Okay. Part's unconscious.
Shit.
207 taser deployed. Already came out with a machete.
Car 204. Did you catch any of our traffic?
Yeah, they just got us taser deployed.
Okay, we have him in custody. Can you start an ambulance?
All right, let's get him set up.
Go ahead and turn that off.
Yeah, I got it off.
Just keep him in that position.
Sir, talk to me. Sir, talk to me.
Stay with him.
I got him.
He's breathing, he's fine.
Okay, stay on your side.
Hey,
Stay on your side.
we had an ambulance coming.
Okay. You guys okay?
Yeah, we're good.
That was fucking wild. Hi.
Stay on your side.
There must be a big drunken party.
Do you remember anything that happened?
I remember I was down there. There was
Okay.
a big bang.
In the end, Clark was stunned when the police finally told him he was under arrest.
On the wall.
Okay.
I told him to mark it off. And I was doing nothing. Laying there sleeping.
I'll go talk to her.
Okay.
They were banging to the wall, I mean, loud.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
And I thought it was them coming after me. You know, officer, I was just... These people over there were... They hit my wall so hard, I thought they were coming through it. They hit that wall on my there. I thought they were coming through it.
Okay, all right. What's your first name?
Mike.
Mike? Okay. You're under arrest right now, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney and have him or her present during any questioning. You can, if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you.
A federal civil rights lawsuit has been filed on Clark's behalf, and the officer who tased him was fired and later charged criminally.
Denver 7's CB Cotton spoke with Clark's family, who says they're now worried about how the case will pan out.
Clark's family says the incident has kept him in and out of the hospital with multiple problems, a brain bleed, multiple seizures, and a quadruple bypass, to name a few.
He's still in the hospital. There's been less days in the last 6 months he's been out of the hospital than he's been in the hospital.
A federal civil rights lawsuit was filed on behalf of the elderly man.
Doesn't a senior citizen have some kind of should be respected.
Michael Clark, 75 years old. His daughter-in-law says he was living independently, loved his family and the outdoors. Now, all that's changed.
Why are you coming up to me?
We don't want him to suffer. None of us do. We want him to get out of the hospital.
The district attorney's office couldn't confirm whether or not Nicholas Hanning had been offered a plea deal, but according to Colorado law, if he's convicted of at least third-degree assault, it would revoke his certification to remain a police officer here in the state.
We are here today to announce that we have settled Mr. Clark's lawsuit against the city of Idaho Springs and its officers for a record-breaking amount in a civil rights case in Colorado. We have settled Mr. Clark's lawsuit for $7 million, and we are here today to offer some comments and thoughts on that moving forward and answer briefly questions from the press as well.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Doing well in yourself?
I'm doing all right.
What's your hurry? You're very recklessly from the city all the way here, man. In and out of traffic, not using turn signal. Man, I watched you. It took me this long to catch up to you.
Sorry.
What's your hurry?
I gotta get my medication.
You gonna try to kill people over medication?
No, well, it helps with my anxiety.
If that car in front of you would have slammed on brakes, you would have caused a wreck right here. What kind of medication is it?
It's for bipolar and anxiety.
Okay, I don't think that medicine would make you drive the way you were driving.
No, because it's starting to wear off. I was expecting to be home all night.
It's starting to wear off?
Yeah.
How many times a day you take it?
One when after I eat breakfast, I take one at 9 o'clock and one at 2 o'clock, and then one in the evening.
Well, the way you were driving,
that's why I'm taking the medication.
Well, maybe you don't need to be driving at all.
No, as long as I'm on my medication.
Well, why don't you take your medication with you?
Because I expected to be home.
Hang tight. For reckless driving or any of that, I wrote you for speed, just like I told you, 65 and a 45. I did put what you say and what I observed, okay? Your court date is August 8th, 2022 at the Hiawassee City Hall, okay? So you got to show up for court, okay? If you would, sign right here. It's not admission of guilt, just saying I explained it to you. Watch coming through town like that, man.
Oh, yeah,
Traffic's heavy, okay? All right, be careful.
Sir, got a question. Yes, what come on.
Inside the city or out here?
No, just right here.
Okay.
Go pull the video at Valero. You get on my traffic stop again, I will arrest you.
Yeah, I'll arrest you right now.
Do it, buddy.
And we're going to
do it.
Charges
do it.
Short.
Do it, Ode.
Go for it.
Do it. There's cameras at Valero and there's cameras at Napa that sees you pulled out.
Shut your mouth.
You don't talk to me like that. I'm not your boy.
Talk to you, boy. You a boy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Count 302. Status check.
Info.
Let me go! Let me go! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Get out of here! Go over there now! My workplace, bro. Back up. This where I'm back up.
You've done this ever since I've been down here. I started in '94. You've been doing this.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma delivering a powerful blow. Let's break down the intense standoff where innocent diners at Applebee's were mistaken for hit-and-run suspects. In July 2023, a tense situation unfolded in Kenosha, Wisconsin, when police responded to a hit-and-run rollover accident that resulted in injuries. Witnesses reported seeing 4 individuals fleeing the scene, including a woman holding a baby and a man, both described as nervous and suspicious.
Anything in here? Sweatshirt, ID, no ID. 782 PD, it's a strong odor of marijuana. You have no clothing description? No. No clothing?
I was wearing red, but I don't remember which one. I think it was the woman. Yeah, because we came up out of like 2 seconds after it happened. They were like...
One was wearing red. Male or female? You don't remember?
Female.
Okay. 782, the female was wearing red. Did you see what they were wearing?
Red shirt for sure, but they literally, everyone got out of this car.
So they're checking the area. They last saw them running. They just said she was wearing a scarf and she's wearing a red shirt and she also had a baby with her.
Shortly after the accident, witnesses reported seeing people matching the descriptions entering a nearby Applebee's restaurant. Upon arrival, officers were directed to a table where they found a man, woman, and a child who resembled the fleeing suspects.
I work at Applebee's, and the cops just came here and asked if there was a man, woman, and a baby that recently got hit. There was a table that was sitting that looked very nervous, and as soon as the cops left, all of a sudden they want their food to go, and they're checked immediately.
Whoever's in the area of Applebee's still, they just advised that a group walked in there. If you're getting nervous, take no descriptions, and it might be related.
661's out there. Hey, you guys just in an accident? No?
We've been here the whole time. What's going on?
How long you been here?
We've been here for an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah? How long have they been here? Who's the table that just walked in you guys just called about?
The individuals, later identified as Jal English Jr., 24, and Shanna Boyd, 21, refused to answer questions about their vehicle. The car, which was visible in the background, could have resolved the situation quickly if pointed out, but this step was overlooked.
Where are you guys driving?
A quarter 727.
We want to clear you from this, so you could just...
For Genesis Cruise,
I'm just asking what you drove in.
You just came up to acting. We didn't even know what's going on.
So you don't know which vehicle you came in today?
We've been here. Which house?
I know. Which car is yours in the lot? Yeah, there was an accident out there, and somebody said that they saw you guys run in with the baby. That's what we're seeing.
They described a female with a top.
That's why. If you guys can tell us what car you came in, we can be done.
They said somebody had red on, carrying a baby, so...
Yeah, and then somebody else was in here with red on, too.
But they're not here right now.
Okay, then, so go find them.
So then where's your car that you came in? Where's the car that you came in?
Under U.S. law, specifically the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. Additionally, the Fifth Amendment, no person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. During their investigation, officers discovered a group of people hiding in the restaurant's bathroom. These individuals matched the general descriptions provided by witnesses, but were not immediately identified as the suspects. The situation intensified as officers attempted to detain Jal, who became increasingly hostile. resisting arrest, and making continuous efforts to leave while holding his child. Shauna also resisted arrest and was eventually pepper sprayed.
What's up, man? How are you? Calling your girlfriend? There's a bunch of juvenile people in here. Let's grab some guys.
Hey, let's hop in here. Hands over pockets, bud.
Hands over pockets. Yeah, come here. Come here, hands over pockets. Come here. Okay. Why not? Why?
Don't go away from me.
I got shot. You got shot? Like when? Must like years ago, 3 years ago. Okay. Why are you guys all hanging out in the bathroom? I was just using the bathroom. Who's in here?
That's him. But all these people flee from it. Janai, right?
Hey, none of my pockets.
Okay. Why it smell like weed in here? Have a seat. Have a seat, brother.
Why can't I sit right there?
I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to make you.
Come on, alright, no, watch out. You ain't got to make me. Alright, bro, I'm going to sit down, bro. Alright.
Help you down.
You're not free to go right now. You are detained right now until we can figure it out.
Because I'm going to take my thoughts to the bathroom.
Chill. Relax.
You got a baby with you. Relax.
Don't touch me. Relax, and then you'll be done. Excuse me. Excuse me. We will be done.
Hey, we don't got to answer no questions. I already told y'all we've been here.
You're going to stay with my
No, I'm not going to stay with nobody.
Okay, then put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, there's a fight. Let me go. Let me go. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
There's 2 more in there.
Go by him.
Stop it. Stop it.
Baby down now.
Stop
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Squeezing me back.
Are y'all kidding me? He pulling my hair. Are you? Oh, yes, you is.
Stop it.
Stop. Get me.
Get the off it.
Baby, hey. She's got 1 cup on. On the ground now. Resisting. Stop. Get your hands on the ground. Hey, step out of the way. Get out of the way. My child.
Get out of here. Go over there now.
My workplace, bro.
Back up.
This where I'm
back up. That's fine. You can record. You need to let us do our job.
Hey, bro. I'm not doing nothing. I was just fucking.
Back up. What is going on? Sit up. Are you okay?
No, because I'm confused. I'm waiting on my food, my child.
Are we good now?
This is so up. I'm sitting here waiting on my food.
Stop yelling.
That one in custody?
More my child. And
Right
this
here.
is so
Right here.
Stop moving forward.
I'm a line right here.
Listen,
I was standing exactly where I stopped 2 seconds ago. You stop talking to me. I'm trying to see. That's it.
Hold on. Stay there.
I can't believe you!
Yo, back up. Else you're gonna get arrested.
I'm done.
Back up.
I did. You just told me I was okay.
Keep moving.
Sir, you just told me I was okay. Have to stop. No.
That stands for me. If you move against me, I'm putting you into the car.
No! I'm not
No, one. I'll get it, Kev.
No!
You got a good grip on her?
Yeah, I got it.
If she acts foolish, you spear her in the car.
Right now, y'all being detained because it's a car accident. I don't know what's going on, okay? Don't turn into nothing. So if you're going to lie about your name, why do that right now? You feel me? That's where we're at right now.
Get in the car.
Bro.
Hey, I'm calling somebody for this girl that's at Applebee's. She just went to jail. Like, we have her baby. What's your name?
All right, I'm going to go check with them in the bathroom then.
Good?
Good.
Thank you. Whoever was spraying over there.
I'm going to kick that door open.
He's in custody too.
For what?
For resisting.
Well, for what? Y'all.
Can we have a real conversation right now?
No.
Okay, well then there's no point in talking to you then.
So how much you guys throw on the how much you guys throw on the toilet?
What are you talking about? What are you talking
That corner cup classic baggie?
Come on, bro.
So now you want me to believe that it smells like weed in here.
Mom, could you please come to Applebee's in Kenosha? Mom, they just attacked me and my baby for no reason. And I'm in the back of the police car.
You can record all you want, but when an officer tells you to do something, you're bound by law to do it.
I agree.
All right, so that's all it is.
There's nothing in there, but it's Kevin Thomas, Janiyah Washington, and
So she matches the description.
She does?
Yeah, she was wearing a red top.
She is wearing a red top? Because that's the male that's in the red top.
Oh. Y'all having like a party in here? What's going on? Yeah, it's kicking in.
Apparently, they just like hang out in the Applebee's bathroom. So.
Yeah, that's a new one. I haven't seen that yet.
Kevin, can you come here?
You guys understand? You understand you're detained, right? Like, so we don't get to play on our phones. Can you make it without a phone? Like, we can survive, right?
You know what day of the week it is right now? You don't know where you are right now. So you want to go to the hospital?
I'm just trying to give my
Son's going with us.
Your date of birth? You sure you don't want to get checked out for your head, man? You just gave me your son's date of birth. I'm not being funny right now.
Sure.
You want to get checked out?
Sure.
Okay.
What did you take a picture of?
Something for the grams.
What did you take a picture of me for?
You're in a public place, I can take pictures of you.
Hey.
And I would like to take pictures of you.
You think that record's on me and your wife for Kylie?
Pictures for our investigation.
Bro, what did you take another picture of me for?
I'm just documenting it.
Right, okay.
Everything that you're wearing, ma'am.
You took 3 pictures of me.
People who were involved or witnessed it said that there was a group of males with a single female. So I don't know if you guys were driving. I know Janiyah doesn't have a license for a fact. I know Kevin doesn't have a license for a fact. I don't know. Well, I know you don't have a license. I don't know.
I can't even drive. He was a little disoriented.
What was he hit with?
Hands, fists, forearms.
It was a full Donnybrook out in the lobby. You guys missed that.
What's going on? I don't know what's going on. I came to take my family out to dinner. I don't know what happened after that. All I just said is, can I take my son to the bathroom so I got to change his diaper? I don't know what's going on. No, over there. It's over there by the door. I don't know what kind of car it is. I just know it's white.
Did you drive it?
No.
Okay.
So, let me explain to you. All right? Who was driving? Oh, because I'm telling you right now, you on probation, you get revoked because it's a felony hit and run. Everybody gets it. You got a lot to lose, brother, right? So who there driving? Janiyah was driving? Who driving? So y'all gonna catch him. Bullshit, Kevin. I saw you all walk in on the camera.
I wasn't driving though.
Okay, then who was driving? So not only is it a grown adult, it's also a baby, okay? Let's see you go to court, beat that charge with a baby. When they put that baby on the stand, show their injuries on the pictures, and they say, oh, let's not convict him. Tell me how that's going to look. Okay, so tell me who was driving and why y'all flee.
I'm blacked out.
You want to take it? Then tell me who's driving.
Bro, I told you I
They can't even hear us right now. Tell us who's driving.
I blacked out, bro.
Okay, so I'm going to pull Janiyah out, right? And then Janiyah says you're driving, and then guess what's happening? I'm offering you first, Kevin, because you got the most to lose. She's going to come out and say you driving, then you're going to take that charge. You going to take that charge?
I told you I blacked out, bro. I promise you, if I knew, I would have told you.
You do know. Because you were in the car, my guy, driving down Green Bay Road. So tell me who was driving.
I don't think you're dumb, bro.
You do think I'm dumb because that's how you acted.
If you knew we was driving down Green Bay Road, you would know who was driving.
No, I don't. I'm just saying, I don't magically transport to the passenger seat. That's fine. You're just going to go to jail on that, and you're going to have to fight that charge after injuring a baby. You cool with that?
Bro, I ain't do nothing.
That's part of your crime. Go ahead. Right. You're under arrest. Sure. Anywhere. Sorry. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything taken will be used against the court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me now?
No, sir. I don't know what's going on. I'm fine.
Okay, well, I'm just going to let you know what I got on, right? I got you all coming in camera right after the accident. Okay, so y'all, everybody's going to be charged with tonight. Felony hit and run, party to a crime involving injury of a child. So that's what everybody's getting charged with. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You stay right here, phone. I got you all coming in all day.
Yeah, because I was meeting them.
Right at the accident. No, you weren't meeting them. You weren't even in here. You came in walking, carrying with Mark. He was? The one I just took out? He's the driver?
Put the baby in her car right here. How did she run?
Listen, let me explain to you.
Are you
kidding me? Can I explain to you? Okay. All these employees here witnessed what happened. We were investigating a hit and run. You can ask all them.
Ma'am. You never told me nothing about no fight.
Your grandson.
You never told me nothing about no fight. Where's my grandson?
They took your grandson to St. Catherine's Hospital.
Yes, they were fighting separate of what we're doing here. We weren't here to start a fight with them.
I'm getting a lawyer. This is it. This is it. This is wrong.
Listen,
this is it.
I'm trying to work with you.
No, you're going to work with me because you're going to release my grandson, and I'm going to be the hot charge Friday in the morning.
The U.S. Supreme Court case, Graham v. Connor, 1989, established that the Fourth Amendment reasonableness inquiry is whether the officer's actions are objectively reasonable in light of the facts and circumstances confronting them without regard to their underlying intent or motivation. The reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. In the end, police were able to confirm that the suspects from Applebee's had nothing to do with the collision. These people's tense demeanor created a misunderstanding at the restaurant, not because they were truly involved.
This is the RO right here. She said Jamonte had her car. Jamonte was driving. Janiyah, I just took pictures of text messages from Janiyah. Said you just got in a crash, report your car stolen.
Good. Perfect.
I got text messages. I took pictures. Janiyah is the one with the
small
stripes. She told her to report her car stolen, and it said we ran in there.
So, I mean, you're under arrest for felony hit and run, also to include a child, because I found out who the driver was. I don't know. You tell me. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. I can't. I already read your Miranda. You said you didn't want to talk to me. I already got what I needed, man.
So no,
you're going to jail.
It was not me. It was not me. It was not me. It was not everything I love on Rain Up God. It was not me.
Full on fight at Applebee's.
For no reason.
Yeah, you're right. For no reason, because you wouldn't shut your mouth.
On September 26, 2016, 79-year-old attorney and state representative John Walker observed and filmed a traffic stop in Little Rock, Arkansas. Representative Walker was approached by officers while filming a traffic stop. The officers questioned his motives, but allowed him to continue recording.
Mr. Walker, what is your concern today?
I'm concerned. I'm a state representative. It happens to be in my district. I don't have to state anything else. But I'm
being polite, just engaging you in conversation. But I don't need to be rude. I'm not giving you have total right to do exactly what you're doing. Do you understand the circumstances of our stop?
I don't know. I just want to see it.
Well, what's going on is both the young officers that you see over there are in training. And there's only 4 of us if you count us. There's only 4.
Well, there were 5.
No, there's only been 4.
All right.
They're in training. So we ride double.
That's fine.
Or there'd just be 2 of us.
All right.
Now, in this particular stop, this gentleman was pulled over because he doesn't have tags on his car. So a quick check to see why he hasn't tagged his car led to a warrant that he has for his arrest. So it's allowed to park like that.
Yeah, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying...
But you're a lawyer, so you probably knew that already.
I understand that, but all I'm saying is it's not a real big deal. I'm around. I'm going to take pictures.
Sure.
Have you ever been a police officer?
It doesn't matter about
No, it does matter.
I've been arrested.
You can answer the question or not. I don't care. But until you walk a mile in the shoes of a police officer, you have no idea what goes on. You're the type of person that goes ahead and tries to exploit this to where it causes chaos and nothing like that. You just try to. You're a race baiter, is what you are. Okay? Because you perpetuate the situation.
No.
You try to catch officers up short when they're not having any problems.
You're not going to provoke me today.
I'm not trying to provoke you. You're the one that's out here trying to provoke police officers. You've done this ever since I've been down here. I started in '94. You've been doing this ever since then.
We passed the law. Okay. One law that I passed in the legislature was that we could record everything.
I don't care if you record, but you're doing it to provoke. You're doing it to provoke. Because you're a race baiter, sir.
Would you have stopped today and videoed had this been a young white male?
I don't know.
That's right.
Because all I know is that I stopped.
That's all I needed to hear.
But look, I didn't know who was in that car.
We didn't know the race.
It's not necessary. No, you can say that.
We didn't know the race of the person driving the car.
Look.
Okay? And you can say, look, or you did know, or whatever you want.
Than anything else.
All you do is try to provoke people, okay? That's all you do.
But I tell you what, if you need our assistance, you give us a call. We'll be there for you.
By all means, if you need help, call us. We'll help you.
We'll be there anytime you need our help.
Under the First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Following their first interaction with the police, Representative Walker crosses the street and tries to record the traffic stop from the sidewalk with lawyer Omavi Kushukuru, also known as Omavi Shakur. They are taken into custody after they refuse to return to the opposite side of the street.
Back over there. Back over there. Okay, no you don't. You got a right to go over there. You're in the middle of my traffic stop. If you want to impede,
Yeah, my traffic stop right now.
Back up that side, please. One more time and go back on that side. You are obstructing justice. Go back over there where you were at. You can do whatever you want to do. You're not going to hurt us.
Oh my gosh.
I'm watching, so.
This is the thing, right? In the wake of all that's going on, I'm sure, people have their own opinions on what.
How do you say last name?
What's your name, Miss Rance?
You just said it.
What's your first name?
Jay.
Jay. Okay. Are you a trainee?
Did you want to have it?
Where are the cameras? Where were the cameras before? They weren't always on.
The camera is always on.
You don't have to hold me. I'll go myself.
Jason.
Oh.
Jason. You want him back there?
I think he put the other guy back.
You want him back there with him?
Well, obviously, he's also a lawyer now.
Lean back against the car right there. You got another unit of transport. You coming here? I'm sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
You mean lean forward or lean back?
You lean backwards.
When I lean backwards, I'll be leaning to
You know better than walk.
Situation that happened.
Walk up into
He's beating the car. Do you not feel him beating the car?
Representative Walker was informed by an officer that he would be charged with interfering with government operations.
Well, you know, you've been doing this long enough. You know you don't walk up in an officer's traffic stop.
I was not walking in an officer's traffic stop.
Yes,
I walked across the street and I was standing on the side.
He wants to come over and interfere with our operation, so...
No, that is not true.
Make sure your camera and microphone are on at all times. All right. Yes, sir. Please step over here for me, sir. I'm Officer Sanders, sir. Just for training purposes, I'm going to let my officer let you patch you down here in a second before we let you have a seat. All right. I'll be honest with you. All right.
So they're recording from over here on the side while we're doing it. Him and the other guy in his car. And then they decided to walk over right in the middle of the cars. And they're like, don't come over here. You're impeding in our operation. Move away. I'm not impeding. And then this guy said he got a right to be here. So.
Back over there. Back over there.
All right, we got a right to...
Okay, no, you don't. You got a right to go over there because you're in the middle of my traffic stop. If you want to impede, you will go to jail. I'm telling you one more time to go back on that side. You are obstructing justice. Go back over there where you were at. I don't have time for this, sir. I've asked you several times to leave my traffic stop. Do you have ID on you today? Do you have ID on me today? Is that a yes or a no?
I'm not being arrested.
Yes, you are.
I'm not being arrested.
For obstruction. Anything you can get in your shirt pocket to do.
This charge is based on Section 5-54-102 of the Arkansas Code. A person commits the offense of obstructing governmental operations if the person knowingly obstructs, impairs, or hinders the performance of any governmental function. Walker has rejected an apology for the arrest, and Police Chief Kenton Buckner has said he anticipates a lawsuit over the encounter. The department is investigating officers' actions in the case. The city has maintained the obstruction charge against Omavi Kushukuru, or Shukur. He is alleged to have walked between the patrol car that made the initial stop and the car in which two people were found to have warrants. Sadly, at the age of 82, Representative Walker departed from this life on October 29, 2019. We hope this video has shed light on the serious dangers of corruption within the police force. If you found this information valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.